Alright, so we are here at the driving range with the Ping 440. I have a plot twist for you. Took this to the shop. We don't know if it's actually real or not. Some people said they thought it was real. Some people said they thought it was fake. So what's going on? I just got the new Ping driver in the mail. I got it off of freaking TikTok, all right? Sale. This thing is like $600 and $700 when I was looking online. I got it for like 300 bucks, all right? I'm a crappy golfer at best. My slice on my drive is terrible, but this actually had amazing reviews, and so I'm going to unbox it, and I'm going to take it to the range tomorrow and let you check it out yourself. I have a couple other golf videos. I have a TMU set of irons that I actually love, so if you want to go watch that video, it's somewhere in my playlists. But my God, it comes with a cover. Yeah, Ping 10.5 max driver. I've looked at everything. Online they say if the P and the I are separate, they're not. This graphite part, they say if that's not there, it's not real. It has it. It's not got the gap. One of the guys in the pro shop said he thinks because this tungsten is spelt a little, like the font looks a little thin, it could be fake. And also the color, which I couldn't see it, but he thinks the color is a little off. But again, it looked good to me, but again, I'm not a pro, and when I was at the pro shop, they couldn't figure it out either. So I'm gonna hit it and let's just see what it feels like, because I don't even care if it's fake if it works. And so
yeah, but if it
hits, I don't care. Yeah. Wow. That's crap. Man, fucking it up. That was a good one. A lot of loft. I need to get my regular driver out and see. Compare it. So my regular driver is a Callaway. A couple more. I'm not very impressed. But then again, I suck. You know, it feels good to swing. Man, I'm not coming across it very good. Terrible. Well, I'm not looking very well, but it definitely is fake. I can tell. I can already hear something inside of it. And it just sounds weird, so.
I like this one.
Alright, so we just got done with the Ping review, and after hitting it, it is definitely fake. Alright, it sounds really weird when you hit it. You can already hear some rattling inside the head, and yeah, when I hit it, I hit it good. I did a little loft. The tees here on the mats are pretty high. So I'm going to take it out again just to play with it. But it is definitely fake. So be careful buying your clubs off weird sites, because you will get fake clubs. Alright? Well, I hope this helps you out. I do have a TMU set of irons I got and I absolutely love. Hit that subscribe button. Check out that video. I played a whole round with the TMU irons and they're great. Later.